Welcome back to the Lotto Code Breaker YouTube channel. It's a good evening to you guys. Today was another day which we went in on a different note. Yeah, it was actually a good day on lunch. Yeah, I noticed on lunch it was good. Lunch we had a banker 16, and we had some pairing numbers which came from the pairing numbers that I gave you last night. Yes, so yes, that was actually good. 16, 41 and 48 and 48. Okay, so I've seen the numbers are now increasing when it comes to our subscribers. Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you so much for telling your friend, telling your family, friends. And also there's somebody who's posting on my links on Facebook. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. The numbers have increased. Since I started posting, I think we've gained about 360 subscribers. We are now hitting 33,000 subscribers. I really appreciate that. Keep on sharing the link as well. So I've got a lot of people that are now asking, what is this chart, where can I get it, and all that. Okay, just a brief on this chart. This chart is on Google Chrome. Here is the web page, 49s.co.uk. It's hot numbers, right? These are hot numbers. So on these hot numbers, it's a simple chart, or it's a simple tabulated form of analysis for numbers for UK 49s from 1 to 49, right? This is just telling you how many times the number has been drawn, the most drawn numbers, least drawn, numerical order. You see what I'm saying? Then here this is 6-number draw, which means that's how many times 3 has been drawn, not as a bonus, right? Not as a bonus or boostable. Here, how many times 6 have played as a bonus, right? This is the totality of it. This is the totality of it. Okay? All right. So basically that's it. And this analysis is starting from 2016, right? It's starting from 2016. So it's actually good information that we can use at our own will. We can create something out of it, and we analyze it, break it down the way you want, and then you come up with a strategy that makes you to make money. It's all about getting something that pays at the end of the day, right? So it's not about just arguing with the numbers and arguing with a lot of codes and strategies and all that, and then at the end of the day you don't even catch anything. Okay, so now on my side I have broken down this chart into a different chart. The way I broke it, I am understanding it, and that's how I am now coming back to you and teaching you guys and showing you how I can do it. Tomorrow I'll try and scan one of the charts that I would have done, and then I'll post, or I will share it with you guys. Then I will explain it to you, so that if there happens to be a day where I'm down with flu or something, you guys can be able to teach yourself and to say, guys, okay, Sharp, this is what he did, and this is what we can expect today. Okay, so it's all about sharing. It's all about feeding each other and all that. Okay, so today's prediction. All right, what happened on lunch? Lunch, they played Banker 16, which I gave you yesterday. The code was 662. Tea time, they played our Banker 29. The code was 730. Okay, so now I'm explaining the bankers. Now I'm explaining the bankers for tomorrow. So the bankers that we have for tomorrow is 24. The code 24 is sitting at is 662, just like 16 today. Then 34 is sitting on 882, that's 886, right? Yeah, 886. Okay, what else? Okay, yes, the next banker that we have is 44. 44 is sitting at 280. These are the three bankers that I have for you guys for tomorrow. Okay, so from the bankers, then we go to our pairing numbers. Okay, from what we have seen is our pairing numbers can be aggressive, then they play boom 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 boom, then they reach to a day whereby they don't even come, right? On tea time, we did not have any number from the pairing numbers that dropped. Yes, I didn't post, but just after going back to do the history for tea time draw, there was no number that dropped. Okay, all right, so let's see the ones for tomorrow for lunchtime. We have got 12, 14, 33, 17, 11, 8, 13, 22, 9, 41, 25, 27, 45, 2, 42, and 16. Okay, I have now decided to analyze as well deep into those same numbers which we are calling the pairing numbers, because if we look at what happened yesterday and day before yesterday, we got 4-5 numbers from our pairing numbers, right? It's worth trying to analyze from there. Okay, so numbers like 17, the positioning of 17, what is the other one? 25 and 27, and then 41 and 41. Yes, we do have 41 sitting there. Where is the 42? I can't see 42. Where are you, 42? Okay, I got it. 42 does not have anything to do with what we want. Okay, so basically these are the numbers that I'm saying. These are my favorite numbers from the pairing numbers, right? Then how many numbers do we have that are sitting on hot and cold that we have on our pairing numbers, right? On our pairing numbers, let's just have a look quickly by flipping to the hot and cold. This is the hot and cold that I trust myself. This is the one that I trust. So we have got 11, we have got 42, and we have got 17. These three numbers, they are also sitting on our pairing numbers, and they are also sitting on our hot and colds, right? Then let me go back to that other page. It has got a white background which is more clear to what I want. Okay, then I've got people that are saying, can you teach me how to pay? Can you teach me how to pay? Don't be greedy, right? Learn to catch one number first, then you learn to add a second number, then you have got two numbers. After you have managed to catch two numbers, after you have managed to win two numbers, that's what I'm saying, you can now be able to try and then learn to win three numbers, four numbers, and going up. As for myself, I have survived winning three numbers, four numbers through pairing the pairing numbers. Okay, because I think you can all see that we are all eating from the pairing numbers. There's a lot of numbers that are coming from there. Okay, so for instance, I'm going to take my first banker that is my favorite, right? My favorite banker is 17. I'm going to say pair 17, 17, 17, 17. Right? You see what I did? 17, I'm going to put from the pairing numbers 12, 14, 33, 11, 8, 13, 22. And then you continue with the rest of your pairing numbers, making sure that your money number, the number that is giving you money, is 17, right? And then the group where you are selecting, you are pairing 17 with all the numbers from the pairing numbers. That's what we call what? Pairing numbers. Then from here, you have done your two numbers. Now I want to add the third number. How I add the third number, right? From the third number, I go to my second banker, which is 42. 42. 42. 42. You see, I've already put three numbers. I've already done three numbers. We all understand what I'm saying, right? So yes, then you can still go back and change your pairing if you want to use another banker. The other banker is 44, 44, 44, 44. Yes, that's how you teach yourself how to pair. Or else you can use another app. There's an app called Lunchtime, TEATIME results. Yes, it's actually on the Play Store. Yes, it's actually on the Play Store. That one, it can teach you how to pay. I will try and download that app, and then I will teach you guys how to use that app. It's very simple. You just take the numbers that I would have given you, and then you go back and you pay your numbers. Okay, on the hot and cold numbers, I'm expecting as well something like 1138, right? That's something that I'm expecting as well. Then what else? Date and time. Learn the date and time. Check any video that we have done that has got the date and time. If you can't find it, then we are going to do another video for the date and time. Date and time is paying big time. Yes, it's actually paying, and it's giving out two numbers. Okay, all right, thank you so much, guys. Good night.